You never sleep, you never slumber. You guard my soul both day and night. When I was searching for tomorrow, your faithful hand was leading me. Before I knew the road before me, you had prepared my victory. You are the Lord who always provides.